Hello and welcome to K1 Repair Center. Today we are going to change the Samsung Galaxy S10E screen. Before you started, you should have, honestly, you should have the screen. This is the original Samsung service package screen. It's come with the vibrator and the earpiece. It's easy to change. You just need to take your main board out and put it in there that I'm going to show you. The other thing you should have, let me just grab that one. The other thing what you should have the back glass as well, and you should explain to the customer is possibilities back glasses can be break. Is possibility, honestly, we don't want to break it because we want to use the back glass again, but it's possible, you know what I mean? We don't want to overheat the phone to damage it, and sometimes it's crack or the back layer, the paint is come off. For that reason you need to explain before you start to doing it that maybe the glass is going to be different color, and if you do it for yourself as well, you should have the back glass spare one in case. It's not cost that much. You can go buy this, honestly the original one, but you can go copy one for, I don't know, $2-3 2-3 pounds or like that stuff to do it in this. So let's start it. What we are going to do, we are going to warm it up to the back. Be sure you're wearing the gloves because it's possibility it's going to be very hot and you don't want to burn yourself and burn your hand. So what I'm using the hot air gun, not the highest level, like a middle. So let's start it. If anything, what is need to be important to let you know that it's possibility to damage it, I'm going to tell you. All right. Don't heat it too much in the camera area because we don't want to heat up the melty lens inside the camera area. This is important. So use the sucker just a little bit to, no, it's not. Turn the phone off first before you start it, yeah? So I got a little bit, it's coming up. Slowly go down, don't go to the deep, because we want to say we don't want to damage the electronic inside. You can use a credit card or very thin plastic card. So you can see is the bottom top one is separated, but not that here because I have not heated too much because of the camera. Now what I'm going, I'll push it slowly at the front and heat it up at the same time, but not too much because we don't want to damage the camera. It should be enough because all right, as soon as warm is it, still remove the old glue from the back because we are going to use the back again. I just need to have a look, is everything okay, is the paint is not come off or anything, but we are going to concentrate it at the moment. The phone, you can send your phone to us as well, and we are repairing it within 24 hours and send it back to you in a weekday. Or you can welcome to bring your phone to the shop and we will do it for you on the spot. Is most of the time we got the parts in stock, but it's always the best is it to contact us first before you come down. So now we are open the phone. We need to open the screws. First we take the SIM card out, and it's a good idea if you can test the phone, test it first that everything's work fine before you start separated, that is we show his camera and everything work fine, that you don't have a complaint or say, oh yeah, it was worked before, now it's not working. Honestly, if you're not working, the screen that you cannot test it is the other matter. But if you are able to test it, you should test it always. So I see sometimes in the videos in YouTube there are forwards these screws. Like we open the screws, there are fast forwards to fast the video, but honestly it's not the point, because always is possibility you might get problem. Still, if you want to open these screws, and I like to, if in case I get any problem or anything, like to sort it out that you can see it. And if you watch my videos, if you got the time to watching it, you can spend more than a minute to see it as well. So now we are going to use the split that bottom bit, slowly lift it up. Careful you not lose the screws. It's good about Samsung is all the screws is mostly the same. So we got this is the out, we put it on the side. Next one, what we're going to do, we are going to disconnect the battery. Okay, now you should have the screen, and we are going to disconnect the touch fingerprint as well. I don't think it's come. Yes, the original screen is covered with the fingerprint is in there, built it in already. Power button, honestly. So what we are going to should have a three. Yes, 1, 2, 3 screws there. We're going to open in a minute. We disconnected the headphone jack, disconnected the screen. So if you want to take the headphone jack out, it's the best is it, you got the headphone jack, put it in there, not to the end, just a little bit, put it in there and push it up, and it should come up. All right, don't put it something like that in there and try to do it, because it's not worth to damaging it. So let's open these screws. Put that the screws on the side. This look is the same in the back one, but still put it on the side that you not mix it, that you can use the same screws back for the main board. I just lost one. No, it's there. So now we are going to slowly take it. Let me take it. Disconnect the camera as well. The front camera. Now have a look. If you're able to take it out, remove the, careful you're not pushing the battery flex. So because of the leak water seal, you got like a glue and the charging port, just a little bit moving it and pull it. That's it, it's come out now. We don't want a board, don't touch it too much because we don't want to shortcut and damage it. Bring your new screen, put it next to it and match what is need to be transferred over. Remove the protection plastic way, don't touch here, this is the screen. The all screen what we're sending out are all tested 100% and it's working. It means I don't need to test it, but still, if you receive it, it's a good idea to have a go ahead for it and just quickly testing it. Just as we show is everything there. Your rubber gasket is all there, your vibrator is there, the power flex is there, earpiece at the front, fingerprint, some of them fingerprint in the bottom there. But what I say in that case is there already, so it's look good. What we are going to do now, we are going to take the main board out and just check it quickly. Sorry if I don't talk, I just need to have a check, be 100% sure everything is there. Yes, it's all good. So we are going to, again, how you take it out, put it back in there. First the charging port. Oh, sorry, I put in the old one again back. Saturday I'm normally not working, but today was good. Customer asked us to do it because she's traveling tomorrow away. So don't force it, you know. It needs to be, you see, it's still is something somewhere hanging because it's not going down. I need to figure it out first. Let me take it out again. Have I forgot anything? Nope. So again, what I want to say, don't force, don't spend the time, you know. It's not something you do it in a rush. Believe me, if it's someone come in the shop, if you run the business and say, oh yeah, I need it now because I'm going on that, it's mean they'll come back again on complaint 100%. Is my experience, honestly. You need always with electronic and phone repair, give it time to do it good job. So put everything back in there. Use the gloves when you use it. Honestly, I got the for my arm, that one, but use the gloves if you don't have that. All right, just to be sure you're not damage anything on the board. So we put the camera back in there, clip in there. So put the screws back. First put the top one. So it's someone at the front shop. I just make a pause and come back again, carry on. Sorry. So sorry about that, it's back again. So we have put the screws back in there, connected the old screws. We don't want to tighten it up too tight, honestly. So now what we are going to do, we want to remove the battery here. All right. What I'm going to do, I'll put my splitter on the side a little bit. It should come easy up. Slowly. Okay. If you're not fit in there, don't force it. Just a little bit lift up, and you should take it out easily. Remove the old tape. So put the battery on the side. What we are going to do, we are using the black M3 tape for the side. I don't put it here. It's be absolutely fine if you put it two on the side there. This is one. We don't want to tape it on the screen. What I said, this is the screen. This is one. And this is two. Okay, so now we are going to I don't put the socket in there and after connected the flex. First, what I'm going to do, I first connect the flex to the main board, the battery flex, and after I place the battery in the position. Because if you millimeter put up or down, the flex, you need to deform it to go fit in there. For this reason, I'll first plug the flex in the main board and after I'll put the battery down. So it should be all done. Now just a quick test. We turn it on. Yes, it's going on. Now we are going to put the back plate in there. The plate, you can separate it this bit there if in case you want to replace it, the ringer. This is going to be separated, and the wireless charging pad is going to be separated as well if in case you want to. They are not in one piece. Just to give you the information, if in case one of them is damaged, you can separate it and replace it separately. Okay, so now we put the back in there. One up, one down, other down, we don't want really too tight, these screws. Okay, just have to be sure. It's not catching your finger, it's all down, yeah? Yes, so check the back glass, what you have separated a little bit on the bottom bit is the, but now it look good. No, it's not catching, so remove that one. Remove the old glue on the side. Okay, I'm using the M3 double side red tape. You need to explain your customer, or if you do it for yourself, the phone is not going to be waterproof afterwards. Need to get a new scissors, it's not cutting right. Nice, go in the edges. Oh, I got other one, it's coming. So I'm going to continue the video again after observe. So back again. In the corners, you got the sticker over. Carefully cut them. Not good. Let me open up the other one. So I prefer before you put it back all together, just to be sure, turn the phone on. It's on already. I just going to check. Starting the phone. Put the SIM card, a memory card back in there. So check everything is working right. Sub key, side, 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 side. Speaker, top and bottom. Mega cam, yes. Receiver, yes. Vibrator, yes. Where is the front camera? Mega cam is because of front camera. Yes. That's it actually. And just we are going to test the proximity. Yes, it's work as well. So when you are done, turn the phone off. Remove the I don't know what's called actually. I don't know what is the call. Yeah, remove this bit honestly. So make your back cover ready, and you want to warm it up. You don't want to give it too hot. You just want to warm it up. So now put the back cover on the top, level it together, and push it gently this side to stick it. that's it. It's all done. This is the screen for Samsung Galaxy S10E or G970F. Replacement screen with the original Samsung service package screen. If you have any question, drop me comment. I try my best to help you. And please, if you don't mind, can you subscribe to my channel as well? It's gonna be great. And keep safe. Hopefully see you soon. Thank you for watching K1 Repair Center.